The flat Earth theory is widely regarded as a baseless and unfounded belief that contradicts scientific evidence and centuries of accumulated knowledge about the shape of the Earth. The overwhelming consensus among scientists, based on extensive observations, measurements, and experiments, is that the Earth is an oblate spheroid, a nearly spherical shape that is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. Numerous lines of evidence support the spherical Earth model, including direct observations from space. Astronauts, satellites, and space missions have provided extensive visual evidence of the Earth's curvature and spherical shape. Circumnavigation and flight routes, airplane flight paths, navigation systems, and the ability to circumnavigate the Earth by traveling in a straight line demonstrate the Earth's spherical nature. Gravity and its effects. Gravity pulls matter towards the center of mass, resulting in a spherical shape for objects with sufficient mass like the Earth. Eratosthenes measurement. Over 2,000 years ago, Eratosthenes calculated the Earth's circumference using simple geometry and the difference in the angle of the sun's rays at different locations. Earth's shadow during lunar eclipses. The shape of Earth's shadow on the Moon during a lunar eclipse is always round, which can only occur if the Earth is a sphere. The flat Earth theory often relies on misconceptions, flawed reasoning, and cherry-picked or misinterpreted evidence. The overwhelming consensus among scientists and the general understanding based on a multitude of evidence strongly support the conclusion that the Earth is a sphere, rendering the flat Earth theory unrealistic and a product of misinformation and fantasy.